Feeling overwhelmed? Nature has the perfect remedy. First, find a quiet spot by the water. Lay back in a hammock and let your worries drift away. Next, take a moment to breathe in the floral scents. Finally, watch the sunset transform the sky into a masterpiece. Embrace the textures around you, grounding yourself in the moment. Take a leisurely walk, letting nature guide your steps. Listen to the soothing sounds of flowing water, a natural melody. As night falls, gaze up at the stars, feeling connected to the universe. Sip on herbal tea, savoring each calming moment. Meditate, allowing nature's energy to flow through you. Embrace these moments and let nature rejuvenate your spirit.